Hey guys, Mav here. Today I'm going to be putting in the Switch Pro power management system into the Tacoma. This is a new power management system to me. I previously had S-Pod in the Forerunner, so we'll see how the two compare. I was really curious to see which one I was going to like more. I did get mine from Sherpa Equipment Company. If you use the code MAV, you can get a discount off of their website. It's not just roof racks. They kind of have everything else to get you set up on your vehicle. So it's kind of unboxing to see what's inside. So we got the main like brain, I guess, and then the little 6 or 8 switch panel. Got the wiring harness that goes from the panel on the inside to the main brain and the engine bay. And then this is going to be all of the wiring for the main brain. And then they kind of give you some accessory like tubing and stuff to cover the wiring. And then this is the main power from the main brain of the Switch Pro to the battery. And then some kind of miscellaneous stuff, some connections and zip ties and whatnot. And then they do include just a kind of basic mount for it, but I got a mount from SDHQ. They have a mount specific to the 3rd gen Tacoma, so it actually mounts the Switch Pro into the Tacoma in a pretty slick little spot in the engine bay. So we'll get this one put on, and then once we kind of get an idea of where this is going to go in the engine bay, there's like 2 threaded nut areas in the fender where you can actually mount this to. You do just have to cut out a piece of the wiring harness. There's like a zip tie holding it to the bottom part of the fender, so you just cut that and you can kind of slide that wiring harness out of the way to get the mount to fit, so you can kind of see where it was. So then now I get the hardware on there, and you do have 2 plastic spacers that are going to go on the back side of the mount. You just kind of go over the bolts and then you'll thread it onto the side of the fender. Okay, we got everything mounted to the engine bay of the truck, so now it's time to work on the inside. The only reason I didn't film getting the panel taken out of the truck is it's kind of a pain in the ass to film and take it off. So you just take off the small kicker panel on the left side of the footwell, and then you have access to all 3 10mm bolts that are going to be able to take that off, and then the rest are just clips that pop out. So I just had to trim a little bit of the plastic to get like the nuts and washers to fit on the back side. Now I can put the actual switch panel into the mount, kind of tighten it down a little bit. Oh, we got a wild most and then paper towels over here. Oh, there she goes. And she's gone. Okay, so anyways, now we can actually mount the switch panel to the little mount from SDHQ. Super slick. It looks pretty OEM in the truck, as you'll see towards the end of the video. It's just 4 bolts and nuts that get tightened down. Just a I think it's a 5/32 hex bolt with a nylon thread, so got it mounted. Looks pretty good, I must say so myself. And then we got the mount on the inside. Okay, so that is it for the install today. If you enjoyed watching, please hit the like button, subscribe. I will be giving kind of a more in-depth review once I have more time with the power management system from Switch Pro. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.